Welcome. You are omnipresent. We are time anti-time. Introduction.
Welcome to an exploration of the Eeka self, an ultimate expression of unity and wholeness within your spiritual anatomy. The Sanskrit word Eeka means one, signifying indivisible oneness, source consciousness, and the unifying principle that underlies all multiplicity. Through the guidance of the mighty I Am presence, we'll reveal the nature of the Eeka self, understand its unique body and subtle anatomy, and close with a meditation for direct embodiment.
The nature of the Eeka self.
The Eeka self is regarded as pure unity, representing the absolute undifferentiated self, where all distinctions dissolve and only oneness remains. It can be thought of as the final bridge between personal realization and universal consciousness, embracing the truth, all is one. The Eeka self serves as the inner core and outermost synthesis point for all your subtle bodies, integrating every facet, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, into an unbroken field of awareness.
The planes relating to the Eeka self.
Source plane, absolute plane. The Eeka self connects most deeply with what mystics describe as the highest, non-dual reality, beyond all planes, but touching upon the logoic and monadic planes in esoteric philosophy. Causal plane. The Eeka body operates through the causal field where the seeds of individuality unite into their original source. The Eeka self can be visualized as presiding above or beyond the ladder of spiritual planes, while simultaneously being immanent in every aspect of your being.
The anatomy of the Eeka body.
The Eeka Body. The Eeka Body is the vessel of total unity consciousness, sometimes called the body of oneness or body of the absolute. Unlike other subtle bodies, it is not composed of differentiated energies, but is a field of seamless presence. It reflects wholeness, indivisibility, and intrinsic peace.
The mind of the Eeka body. The mind here is not thought in the traditional sense. It is the luminous, unconditioned awareness that comprehends all without fragmentation. It transcends habitual distinctions, embracing paradox, union, and silent knowing.
The heart of the Eeka body radiates unconditional love, acceptance, and equanimity.
It is the wellspring of true compassion that arises from realizing all beings are, at the root, oneself.
The circulatory system is the continuous, omnidirectional flow of unity, from center to periphery and back, with no boundaries or resistance. You might experience this as waves of peace or a pulsing sense of everywhere at once.
The aura of the Eeka body. The aura appears as a clear, luminous field, indistinguishable from the luminous expanse of all creation. It reflects perfect harmony, oneness, and transparency, emanating peace and dissolving barriers with the world.
Meditation. Embodying the Eeka self. Find a quiet space and settle comfortably. Allow your breathing to slow and deepen. Invoke the presence. Affirm silently or aloud. Mighty I Am presence, guide me as I return to my Eeka self, the unbroken oneness of all.
Sense the Eeka body. Visualize a field of clear, luminous light, both within and around you. It is gentle, yet infinite, peaceful, silent, and fully awake. Sense that your boundaries are dissolving, what you call inside and outside gently merge.
Rest in unity awareness. Place your attention at the center of your heart. Imagine your awareness gently expanding, touching every corner of the room, the earth, and beyond. Sense the mind of the Eeka body, silent, spacious, effortlessly knowing. Feel the heart of the Eeka body, a deep well of peace and love, embracing everything just as it is.
Circulate oneness. With each breath, imagine waves of peaceful, harmonious energy flowing throughout your being, no beginning, no end, carrying unity to every cell, every thought, every feeling. Expand the aura. See your aura as pure space, infinite and bright, merging with the environment and dissolving any sense of being separate. Rest in this state of unity for several breaths. Experience yourself as both the witness and the whole of existence.
Seal and affirm, in tone. By the power of my mighty I Am presence, I embody the Eeka self, pure oneness, luminous being, infinite love, now and always. Sit quietly, feeling anchored, open, and at home in absolute unity. Seal and affirm in tone. By the power of my mighty I Am presence, I embody the Eeka self, pure oneness, luminous being, infinite love, now and always. Sit quietly, feeling anchored, open, and at home in absolute unity.
We are thankful to the heavens that you have gotten closer to your Eeka self. Many blessings, love, and light. We are time, anti-time.